Now that your TV is out of the box, let's install the stand. Your TV's bezel and stand may look different than the one pictured, but the process is the same for the RU7100, RU7300, RU8000, and Q60R televisions. Here is what you'll need: the 2 stand feet, the cable holder, the 4 provided screws, and a Phillips head screwdriver. To make things easy, the stand feet are marked with an R and an L to ensure you place them on the correct side of the TV. Now for those of you with an RU8000, you can attach the stand feet to whichever side you please, as they work for both. Take a stand foot and align it with the groove on the corresponding side. Push it all the way in until it's locked into place. Now take 2 of the provided screws and securely attach the stand to the TV. Just repeat this for the other side to complete the stand setup. With the help of a friend, you can now move your TV to its new home. Connect the power cable, then run it along the grooves on the bottom right side of the TV for a clean, sleek look. You can use the cable holder to securely attach the cable to the stand leg. Depending on the model and size of your TV, there might be protective padding along the front display. You can safely remove them at this time.